Henry Ford was born on a farm in Michigan in 1863. His family was poor, life was difficult, but young Henry was a curious and determined boy. He loved to tinker with things. Henry's days were filled with chores. He helped his father with the farm work. He milked cows and chopped wood. But whenever he had a free moment, he would explore the mechanics of the few machines they had. Henry yearned for more than farm life. He dreamed of building something new. He wanted to create something that would change the world. Despite limited schooling, Henry was hungry for knowledge. He taught himself about engines and machines. He read every book and magazine he could find. At 16, Henry left the farm. He moved to Detroit to work as a machinist apprentice. He learned valuable skills in various workshops. He saved every penny he earned. Henry's passion for mechanics grew. He spent his nights working on his own projects. He believed he could build a horseless carriage. It was a bold dream, but Henry was determined to make it a reality. Henry's first attempts at building a car were met with failure. His early engines were unreliable. His designs were flawed. He faced criticism and doubt from those around him. But Henry refused to give up. He learned from his mistakes. He continued to experiment. He knew that success required perseverance. Henry's determination inspired a small group of investors. They saw his vision. They believed in his ability. With their support, Henry was able to continue his work. In 1896, Henry completed his first working automobile. He called it the quadricycle. It was a simple vehicle. It had 4 bicycle tires and a tiller instead of a steering wheel. But it worked. The quadricycle was a sensation. People lined the streets to watch it go by. It was a glimpse of the future. Henry knew he was onto something big. The success of the quadricycle gave Henry the confidence to continue. He formed the Detroit Automobile Company, but the company struggled. Henry's vision was too ambitious for his partners. Section 5. The birth of Ford Motor Company. Undeterred, Henry formed the Ford Motor Company in 1903. This time he was determined to do things his way. He wanted to build a car for the masses, a car that was affordable and reliable. Henry's vision was clear. He wanted to revolutionize transportation. He believed that everyone should have the freedom to travel. He set out to achieve his goal with unwavering focus. Section 6. The Model T, democratizing the automobile. In 1908, Henry Ford introduced the Model T. It was a revolutionary automobile. It was simple, sturdy, and easy to maintain. Most importantly, it was affordable. The Model T was a huge success. It quickly became the car for the everyday American. It gave people freedom and mobility like never before. The automobile was no longer a luxury for the wealthy. Henry Ford had achieved his dream. He had made the automobile accessible to everyone. He had changed the world forever, but his innovations didn't stop there. Section 7. The assembly line, revolutionizing manufacturing. To meet the overwhelming demand for the Model T, Henry developed the assembly line. This revolutionary production method drastically reduced the time and cost of manufacturing. The assembly line was a game changer. It made mass production possible. It lowered the price of goods. It created new jobs. It transformed American industry. Henry's innovative spirit extended beyond his products. He understood the importance of efficiency and affordability. Section 8. A legacy of innovation and progress. Henry Ford's legacy extends far beyond cars. He was a visionary leader. He was a master of innovation. He was a symbol of American ingenuity. Henry's story is an inspiration to us all. It shows us that with hard work, determination, and a willingness to dream big, anything is possible. His life is a testament to the power of innovation to change the world. Section 9. Ford's enduring impact on the world. Henry Ford's impact on the world is undeniable. He revolutionized transportation. He transformed manufacturing. He created a new industry. He shaped the American landscape. Ford's legacy continues to shape our world. His company remains a global giant. His ideas continue to inspire entrepreneurs. His story reminds us that one person can make a difference. Henry Ford's journey from a farm boy to an industrial titan is a testament to the American spirit. It's a story of innovation, perseverance, and the unwavering belief in the power of dreams.